Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Apify integration not working in Claude. Alright, let's begin. First, open the side menu bar from top, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the Claude app and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to Connectors and choose Customize. Next, click on the plus icon at the top and select Add Custom Connector. You can also give it a name. Next, to grab the required server address, navigate to console.apify.com. Click on the search bar right under your profile name, type MCP, and click on Configure MCP Server. Then copy the provided URL at the top, head back over to Claude, and paste it directly into the URL field before clicking Add. Finally, click the Connect button that appears. This redirects you to a browser page where you can check your account and grant permission by allowing Claude access. Once completed, your custom Apify tools will instantly appear inside your active chat window, ready to process any scraping or data extraction tasks. So that's basically how you can fix the Apify integration not working in Claude. That's it for this video. Thanks!